how to convert Word to PDF on mobile device. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video we will learn how we can convert Word to PDF on phone. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, you have to open a browser in your device. Navigate to the search icon and in the search bar you have to type in Word to PDF. Once you search for it, navigate to the first link on your search results, that is www.iLovePDF.com, and now tap on it. Here it says select Word file. So tap on this option here. Now from your device, you have to select the Word file that you would like to convert it into the PDF. Then tap on Convert to PDF. Now wait for a while until your Word file gets converted to PDF. Once the file has been converted, now you can download PDF in your device. Simply tap on Download PDF and it will be downloaded in your device. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.